The RSS might not have named him openly, but they have made it quite clear that Narendra Modi is their choice for the PM candidature. Sources tell Times Now that Rajnath Singh's emissary is set to meet party patriarch L.K. Advani today to seek his approval for fixing the date for the party's parliamentary board meet, where the party will announce Modi's candidature for the Prime Minister's post.
After the push from the RSS for announcing its prime ministerial candidate, BJP chief Rajnath Singh has decided to bite the bullet, and he seems to have been nudged by the RSS to back the man he calls BJP's most popular leader.
The stage is finally set for the Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi to be named as the Prime Ministerial candidate for the BJP for 2014 Lok Sabha polls. On Friday, BJP Parliamentary Board will meet at 4 p.m. to make that formal announcement. The question really is, will the veteran BJP leader L.K. Advani be on board or once again prove to be a stumbling block?
To ensure that Advani is on board, sources say Rajnath Singh's emissary will meet the BJP veteran, who will have the final say in fixing the timing of the BJP Parliamentary Board meet to announce Modi as PM candidate.
Just wait. It's a matter of few days. Let there be little suspense, and suspense has got its own rewards. Entire country will be.
While the BJP is eager to avoid last-minute hiccups in Modi's elevation, the likely announcement has enthused its allies.
I think he will create excitement amongst a large section of people, not just amongst the workers of the Akali Dal or the BJP or the Shiv Sena, but he will create excitement amongst a section of society which is completely lost faith in Congress.
But the Congress has warned the BJP about the possible political fallout of Modi's PM candidature.
ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी का अंदरूनी मामला है और वो क्या निर्णय लेते हैं, क्या मोदी जैसे सांप्रदायिक व्यक्ति को प्रधानमंत्री का कैंडिडेट घोषित करने के बाद क्या वो सभी वर्ग के लोगों को एक्सेप्टेबल होगा, स्वीकार होगा, ये भी अपने में एक सवाल है.
There is an urge for a distinct change. That is the important thing to be noted. That has been conveyed to the party.
Yet the BJP has got the message the RSS has been trying to convey, that time has come to make Modi the face of 2014. Bureau Report, Times Now.